Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Karen Angie Carino, 36 years old, married, and I have three kids, ages 12, 6, and 2. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and I am an honest, hardworking, and a God-fearing person. I've been employed 2 years in a hospital in the Philippines, a tertiary hospital. My duties there is I am a nursing attendant in emergency department, intensive care unit, outpatient department, and in ward. I am also a nursing attendant in a rural health center in our areas as a nursing attendant also and an animal bite center. Stop mo?